Welcome to EnglishSpeakingCourse.com. Today's topic is Friends discussing favorite music genre conversation. Listen, read, and then repeat.
Hey Justin, isn't it quite dull here? I know, Marty. Should we play some music? Of course. Nothing could be better. Let's listen to some pop songs. Nah, that's not my taste. Oh, I thought you liked it. Yes, you are right. Those were the initial days when I seriously started listening to music, but then gradually inclined towards rock. Oh, really? Yeah, the pounding drums and distorted guitars really get me. It has its own unique vibe. I understand. For me, I am leaning towards the pop genre. Probably because that's trending. No, of course not. I've kind of started relating with it. It keeps me minded. I see, but pop covers a variety of vibes. Which of them do you prefer? No, nothing particular, it's just pop. Another aspect about rock that I wanted to mention is that it's an organic genre and packed with real instruments. That's what I am, totally natural. Of course, it relates to a saying, you are what you like. Very true. But what is so great about rock? Zilch, none of the genres are great as such. I didn't get you. What do you mean? It is only that each genre has its own vibe. Then it depends on what people are most comfortable with. Cannot agree more. Now I really need some music. The weather can't get any worse. Okay, fine. Let's play some rock songs. You're my brother. This is why I love you. You always seem to make everyone comfortable around you. Ah, you're now flattering me. I thought at least I will get the vibe of rock because I don't know much about it, you see. It's fine. Within due course of time, you will start liking it. That's also true.
Did you like my video? If yes, then please follow these steps in an order. First, hit the subscribe button. Once it grays out, you will notice a bell icon show up next to it. Hit this bell icon too, so that you always get all the latest updates from this channel in your email. And then, like and share my videos within your network.